हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर वन एंड ओनली फार्मेसी। दोस्तों, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखने जा रहे हैं एमसीक्यूज ऑन साइज रिडक्शन। सब्जेक्ट फार्मास्यूटिक्स फर्स्ट डी फार्मेसी, प्रेजेंटेड बाय वन एंड ओनली फार्मेसी यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक बने रहिए। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ हैमर मिल इन साइज रिडक्शन? आंसर first cutting, answer second compression, answer third impact, and answer fourth attrition. And the correct answer is answer third impact. Hammer principle of hammer mill is impact. Question second, what do you mean by leviation? Option first, wet grinding. Option second, dry grinding. Option third, normal grinding. And option fourth, only grinding. The correct answer is option first, wet grinding. Levigations means wet grinding. Question third, what is the principle of roller mill in size reduction? Option first, cutting. Option second, compression. Option third, impact. Option fourth, attrition. And the correct answer is option number second, compression. Question fourth, product size achieved by fluid energy mill in bracket FEM. Option first, 4 to 325 mesh. Option second, 20 to 200 mesh. Option third, 20 to 80 mesh. And option fourth, 1 to 30 micron. And the correct answer is option 4, 1 to 30 micron. Question 5th, which law is not used for size reduction? Option first, Kick's law. Option second, Bond's law. And option third, Rittinger's law. And option fourth, Stokes law. And the correct answer is option number 4, Stokes law. Stokes law is not used for size reduction. Question number 6, which one of the following is method of size reduction? Option first, cutting. Option second, compression. And option third, impact. Option fourth, all above. And the correct answer is all above. All above method are used for size reduction. Question 7, cutter mill having following knives. Option first, rotating knives. Option second, stationary knives. And option third, both rotating and stationary knives. And option fourth, swinging knives. The correct answer is option number third, both rotating and stationary knives. Cutter mill having both rotating and stationary knives. Question number 8, which of the following factor affects size reduction? Option first, hardness. Option second, toughness. Option third, abrasiveness. And option fourth, all of above. And the correct answer is option number fourth, all of above. All above factor affect size reduction. Question 9, the fluid energy mill involves first option pressure, option second temperature, option third fluid, and option fourth density. And the correct answer is option number first, pressure. The fluid energy mill involves pressure. Question number 10, wet grinding is done by option first colloidal mill, option second hammer mill, option third roller mill, and option fourth rotary cutter mill. And the correct answer is option number first, colloidal mill. Wet grinding is done by colloidal mill. Question 8, colloidal mill works on the principle of option first impact, option second attrition, option third rotor and stator, option fourth compression. And correct answer is option third, rotor and stator. Colloidal mill works on the principle of rotor and stator. Question 12, what is the principle of fluid energy mill in size reduction? Option first attrition, option second impact, option third both impact and attrition, and option fourth only compression. And the correct answer is option number third, impact and attrition. The principle of fluid energy mill in size reduction is impact and attrition. Question 13, what is the principle of ball mill in size reduction? Option first attrition, option second impact, option third compression, and option fourth impact and attrition. And the correct answer is impact and attrition. The principle of ball mill in size reduction is impact and attrition. Question 14, rotating knives are present in option first roller mill, option second cutter mill, option third hammer mill, and option fourth ball mill. And the correct answer is option number second, cutter mill. Rotating knives are present in cutter mill. Question 15, the ball mill can be best used for which kind of feed? Option first, wet and dry. Option second, coarse and fine. Option third, rocks and bricks. And option fourth, any kind of feed. And the correct answer is option number first, wet and dry. The ball mill can be best used for wet and dry types of feed. Question 16. At low speed, dash dash crushing is obtained. Option first, low. Option second, high. Option third, optimum. And option fourth, total. The correct answer is low. At low speed, low crushing is obtained. It's a very common sense question. At low speed and low crushing is obtained. Question 17. What is the size reduction principle in mortar and pestle? Option first, cutting. Option second, compression. Option third, impact. Option fourth, attrition. And the correct answer is option number second, compression. The mortar is based on the basis of compression. Question number 18. What is the principle of edge runner mill in size reduction? What is the principle of edge runner mill in size reduction? Option first, attrition and impact. Option second, crushing and shearing. Option third, impact. And option fourth, cutting. And the correct answer is option number second, crushing and shearing. Crushing and shearing. Question 19. Classifier is the part of. Option first, cyclone separator. Option second, hammer mill. Option third, fluid energy mill. And option fourth, cutter mill. And the correct answer is option number third, fluid energy mill. The classifier is the part of fluid energy mill. Question 20. Fluid energy mill reduces the particle up to. Option first, 1 to 20 nanometer. Option second, 10 to 25 micron. Option third, 0.5 to 5 nanometer. And option fourth, 1 to 20 micron. And the correct answer is 1 to 20 micron. Question number 21st or 21. Identify the factor which does not affect the size reduction. Option first, hardness. Option second, color. Option third, toughness. And option fourth, stickiness, not a stuckness. There is spelling mistake. And option fourth is stickness. And the correct answer is option number second, color. Hardness is affect the size reduction. Toughness is also affect the size reduction. Stickness also affect the size reduction. But color, it doesn't matter for the size reduction. The correct answer is option number second, color. Color is affect the size reduction. Thank you guys for watching. Please video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for pharmacy related daily updates. Thank you guys. Let's see once again from first to start. 21st, identify the factor color affect the size reduction. Particle size in fluid energy mill reduces up to the 1 to 20 micron. Classifier is the part of fluid energy mill. Principle of edge runner mill in size reduction is crushing and shearing. What size reduction mortar and pestle size reduction principle in mortar and pestle is compression. At low speed, low crushing is obtained. The ball mill can be best used for wet and dry kind of feed. Rotating knives are present in cutter mill. Principle of ball mill in size reduction is impact and attrition. Principle of fluid energy mill in size reduction is impact and attrition. Colloidal mill works on the principle of rotor and stator. Wet grinding is done by in colloidal mill. The fluid energy mill involves pressure. Which of the following factor affects size reduction? Following all factors affect the size reduction. These are hardness, toughness and abrasiveness. Cutter mill having both rotating and stationary knives. Methods of size reduction are cutting, compression, impact, all of above are the methods of size reduction. Which law? Stokes law is not used for size reduction. Kick's law is used for size reduction. Bond's law is used for size reduction. Rittinger's law is used for size reduction, but not Stokes law is used for size reduction. Product size achieved by fluid energy mill is 1 to 30 micron. What is the principle of roller mill in size reduction is compression. The principle of roller mill in size reduction is compression. Levitation means wet grinding. And option first, principle of hammer mill in size reduction is impact. MCQs on size reduction, pharmaceutics first, D pharmacy. Friends, this MCQ is used for in your annual exam or MSBT or your board exam, technical education exam or pharmacy related all exams such as GPAT, NIPER, ISIC, competitive pharma, competitive related all exams, CFA pharma, etc. So thank you friends.